Hello everyone, this is going to be a look at how you can use functional programming in Rust. I asked ChatGPT for this example, so excuse me if it's incorrect. To the best of my knowledge it is. So I've created a struct item, so it contains a name and a price up here. In main we've got let items equal vec using the vec macro, and we are putting in 3 items using the item struct. We've got apple to string, price 1, banana to string, price 2, and cherry to string, price 3. So the first example, we will calculate the total price. So we will sum up, iterate over all of the items, each sort of 3 items, and then we'll map the price out of each of those, and we will sum those up. So if we run that, we don't get anything because we're not printing it. Maybe if we print it, it will work. So there we see 6. Okay, so far so good. So using items.iter, we map the item to the item price, and then we sum. Along similar lines, you could use the filter to get the item price where it's less than 2, and then we collect that, and then once we've collected it, we can print it. So let's run that. You can see here, cheap items. So it's found the item which is less than 2. So got cherries 3, bananas 2, and apples 1. So apple is the only one that's less than 2. So items.iter.filter.collect. We didn't need to collect before on the first example because we were just summing up, we were just adding up all of the prices into one F64. Okay, so those two are fine. Let's look at one last one. Use map to transform items into a different format. So we're going to convert effectively what's an array of structs. We're going to convert that into an array of names. If we run that, apple, banana, and cherry. We did that using map and collect. So we've looked at using map and sum, we've looked at using filter, and we've looked at using map and collect. And I know when I first started using Rust, this kind of syntax looked a bit different to me, and it was different to the way that I'd previously written stuff in Python. But particularly if you look at something like LeetCode, you'll see many solutions with really high scores which are answered in this particular way. And even if you've used Python with pandas and you've used Jupyter notebooks, some of this might look a bit more familiar in that you chain commands together. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'm back soon.